looks bad.
Ah! Or on the front of the head, without breaking the bank or burning my client's hair to crisp. So if you want to get on my level, go to salonproequipment.com and get quality without the high cost today. There's not enough promise for the both of us.
This needs to stop before I puke. Incredible these CVG leggings are.
But oh! We also have to make sure we let women know they can do anything in these leggings without them rolling, falling down, or giving you a massive camel.
Whoa! We could do something like...
Wait, one more thing. You're amazing. Such a great community.
Couldn't have said it any better myself.
Visit constantlyvariedgear.com for leggings you can sweat in, squat in, and live in.
Every night.
Reminding him of his nightmares with all the specific questions. I feel like we just kind of want him to forget about it.
I just don't know what'd be making him so scared. It'd be nice not to have to rush into his room every single night.
He doesn't come into your room?
No, never.
That is a...
No, not that one, that one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. It's a race now. Okay, ooh, radio.
Thank you so much. Your sessions really helped James. I'm sure he's gonna miss seeing you.
Yeah, we really appreciate everything you've done for him.
Of course. I'm just glad to see James happy again. Look, here's my card. Please.
And developers.
Robert, you